everyone, welcome back to Auto Legend. The 2025 Tata Nano CNG is set to redefine affordability and efficiency in the Indian automotive market, reviving the iconic Nano with a cleaner and more economical fuel option. Tata Motors has made a bold move in the budget car segment. This new iteration retains the essence of the original Nano, a compact, city-friendly, and cost-effective but adds modern enhancements to cater to today's eco-conscious consumers. The biggest highlight of the 2025 Tata Nano CNG is its fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs, the demand for CNG vehicles has surged, and Tata has capitalized on this trend. The Nano CNG offers an impressive mileage of around 35 to 40 km/kg. Making it one of the most economical cars to run in India. The factory-fitted CNG kit ensures optimal performance while keeping emissions low, aligning with India's push for greener mobility solutions. From a design perspective, the new Nano maintains its signature compact look but features subtle upgrades. The exterior gets a refreshed front fascia with sleeker headlights and a revised grille. The bumpers are slightly reworked to give it a more modern appeal, while the addition of LED DRLs, daytime running lights, enhances visibility. The Nano CNG still carries its tall boy stance, ensuring ample headroom and easy ingress and egress are key factors that made the original model popular among city commuters. Inside, Tata has improved the cabin experience with better quality materials and a more refined layout. The dashboard now sports a digital instrument cluster, providing real-time mileage, fuel levels, and other crucial information. A 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility has been introduced, a feature rarely seen in entry-level cars. The inclusion of power windows, central locking, and a multifunction steering wheel adds a touch of modern convenience. Despite its small footprint, the Nano CNG remains surprisingly spacious for 4 passengers, making it a practical option for urban families. Under the hood, the 2025 Nano CNG is powered by a 624cc, twin-cylinder engine optimized for CNG. While the power output remains modest at around 35–40 horsepower, it is more than sufficient for city driving. The car's lightweight body ensures peppy acceleration and effortless maneuverability in congested traffic. The 5-speed manual gearbox provides smooth gear shifts, while Tata's engineering ensures minimal vibrations, improving ride comfort compared to the older Nano models. Safety has been a key focus in this update. Unlike its predecessor, the 2025 Nano CNG comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and a reinforced body structure. Tata has worked on improving crash protection, ensuring better occupant safety. Rear parking sensors and a reverse camera further assist in making city driving stress-free. While it may not meet the highest global safety standards, it is a significant improvement over the first-generation Nano. Pricing is where the Nano CNG truly shines. Expected to be priced between a superscript 13.5 lakh to a superscript 14.5 lakh. Ex-showroom, it remains one of the most affordable four-wheelers in India. Combined with its low running cost, the Nano CNG presents an attractive proposition for first-time buyers, students, and budget-conscious families. Tata's extensive service network ensures easy maintenance, further adding to its appeal. With the reintroduction of the Nano in CNG form, Tata Motors has revived an automotive legend in a more practical and eco-friendly package. While it may not be the most powerful or feature-rich car in its segment, its affordability, efficiency, and city-friendly nature make it a compelling choice for urban mobility. The 2025 Tata Nano CNG is proof that small cars still have a big future in India.